But the power of having an email list, having a good relationship with your email list, and then building a business from that. And if all you did was be an affiliate marketer and promote products that you like, products that you think are good for your audience, then you would make a full-time living.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
You're probably going to hear me harp on email and the power of building an email list. And now I want to show you an actual demonstration of how and why I do this. Why do I harp on this concept of email list building? So this morning I did an affiliate promotion. I promoted my friend James's product. He launched it this morning at 8 a.m. 8 a.m. my time. And so what I did was I had this email blast set to go off at 8 a.m. my time to go to my entire list. And I want to show you by sharing my screen here. So I want to show you where this started. So as you can see here at 8:02 a.m., these emails went out to my list, okay, at 8:02 a.m. So they were scheduled to go out at 8 a.m. and it takes a little while for them to start going out. But notice that at 8:03, 8:04, 8:05, 8:06, basically every minute we were making sales, and then it skipped to 8:21, then 8:27, and 8:34, and so on. But we're basically making sales all constantly, as you can see here, from that one email blast. So I thought it would be good to just kind of show you, and here we are right now at 12:23 p.m. my time, and that is simply from the power of email list building. And so I wanted to show you that because this shows you in real time, shows you real-time results of what you can do when you build an email list, the power of having an email list, and then also having a good relationship with your email list. You don't want to just build an email list and promote. I've been down that road before. But the power of having an email list, having a good relationship with your email list, and then building a business from that. And if all you did was be an affiliate marketer and promote products that you like, products that you think are good for your audience, then you would make a full-time living. In fact, one of my friends, Jeremy, is a super affiliate, and he makes hundreds of thousands of dollars a year just doing this. So I wanted to show you in graphic terms, in demonstratable terms, how this works. Now, these sales are going to continue throughout the day today, throughout the day tomorrow. I'll probably send out another email blast tomorrow and make even more sales. And as you can see, this is a very powerful way to build an income. By the way, at 8 a.m., I was still asleep. I slept in a little bit today. I got up around 8:45 or 9 in the morning and had already been making sales as I slept, right? So that's the power of building an email list. So if you'd like this video, you like the idea of learning more about how to build an email list, the power of email list building, the power of building a relationship with that list, then be sure to join my email newsletter, my free entrepreneur newsletter, where you'll get my latest videos, strategies, courses, and also be entered to win a $500 hotel stay certificate as well. We choose new winners every month, and so you'll automatically be entered when you become a subscriber at the link below. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.